teach you how to have a German accent. Rule number 1. Pronounce all W's as V's. In German, the letter W is pronounced as a V, as in was or were much. Carry this over into your English for a significant impact. What does is start to add a Germanic flavor to your speaking. Use it only where you pronounce the W in English. You couldn't use it for the words like right or triangle, but you would for we, Webster, war, and was. Rule 1.1. WH is just V. For words V's WH, write it simply as V. What is what, not what. Rule 1.2. No two-letter words. For words like we, make it V. No two-letter words. Now, we will go into the next step. Step 1. The vowels. German natives have a tendency to swap most of our A sounds for E sounds. So whenever possible, pronounce your A's as E's. Step 2. The German R. Germans have a tendency to drop the R if it's the last letter of a word or if it's found before a consonant. So hunter will be pronounced as hunter and German will be German. Step 3. The sounds to always swap. The rule is quite simple. Just replace all S with Z's. Replace all V's with F's. Replace all W's with V's. And replace any occurrence of QU for either KB or KF. Step 4. The finals to drop or change. A final is the last letter of a word in house. The final is E. The following finals must always be changed. Replace V's with P's. Replace D's with T's. Step 5. The TH and how to deal with it. So the rule is this. Whenever you encounter a heavier TH, you are to replace it with Z. When you encounter a softer TH, you have to replace it as an S. So here's the example of the words with heavy TH. This becomes Z's. That becomes Zat. The becomes Z. These are the words with soft TH. Teeth becomes T's. That becomes throat. And thought becomes sought. However, there is one additional special rule with the TH. If TH is found between the two vowels such as in father, then it's to be replaced with a D. Step 6. The German stress pattern. So for instance, we pronounce monster as monsters with the monstrous. In German, the stress is usually placed on the first syllable. So by changing the stress patterns, we are in effect more closely mimicking that of a German speaker. I'm going to tell the examples of words with a German accent. These are the words with the long I rises in pitch, like finally, life, time, why, aside, arrival, ice, child, diving, ironic, forbidden, night, lifetime, divided, dying light. And these are the letter W turns to V. Twisting, want, where, force, fetus, adequate, worships, away, and winter. The short O becomes AW when pronouncing, like promise,